What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Sherman Oaks, Westfield Fashion Center. Yeah, I heard that some of the shoe palettes dropped some dope dunks. Go see if they have them. All right, Westfield Fashion Square. That's what it's called. All right, let's go see if they got them dunks, man. All right, this mall opened about 40 minutes ago. A little bit late. Let's go see if they got them. All right, I don't see the dunks. I'm gonna talk to one of the workers, see if they have anything. Look at this Jordan section. What the hell? I've never seen so many Jordans. What the heck? Then they do got some sales on some of the team Jordans. Comfort 11 lows. Got a couple of them go for $100. I forgot what the heck these are called. The Max RF4 is going down to 100. Dub Zero is also 100. What are these normally, like 140 or something? And then are we starting to see retros on sale? 160 as opposed to the two bills. Okay. $100 for the Gore-Tex. Wow, these retail for 200. This was like an extra premium for Jordan 1, and yeah, they're down to $100. Holy cow. Dude got some mids going for 100 as well. Okay, got sales, got retros on sale. That's pretty dope. Then they have tons and tons of retro selection, kind of crazy. 200 for those. Dude got the, are these the Stealth 6s? Stealth 6 is size 11. Cardinal 7s, I'm hoping these go on sale. Dude got Toro Bravo 6s. Red Oreo 6s. Got the white cement Jordan 1 high. Got some, what are these, the Zooms? Zoom Comforts. Got a couple of those. This one got all kinds of suede on it. And then all kinds of lows. What are the price of lows now? $110. $110 for all these. Just goes on and on. $125 for the mids right there. Okay. Almost forgot about the 11 low IEs down to $50. We've seen this on sale at a few spots, so that's pretty dope. That might be the craziest Jordan section I've seen in a long time. Holy cow. And then I did talk to one of the workers. I was like, hey, what's up? Like, and yeah, they do got them. They do got them. Dude, this is different than just a regular dunk, dude. This is different from regular dunk. The quality, I think these are premium. Yeah, these are a lot nicer. These are a lot nicer. Does have the gray and the black outsole to kind of complement that right there. These ain't bad, dude. These ain't bad. I do have a Chicago ID, Nike ID Chicago. These are, I'm not gonna lie, these are way better than I thought. Even the Nike swoosh has that little thing right there. These worth getting? So $120 for these. Is that a premium? Is that just the new price for the dunks? I don't know. Yeah, these ain't bad, dude. Do have Laker trucker hats down to $20. I do love this song, by the way. Say that money. But yeah, 32 down to $20. That's where they got them. Okay, I was like, what the heck? Okay, and they got the Jaws too? Okay. The Ja Morants. $110 for these. Okay. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I've ever seen these before. This is the first time I've ever seen them. So they do got these here as well. Now is it a GR? Now is it gonna be easy to find? I don't know. That's a good question. The Dunks and the Morants just chilling right there. That is hell of a surprise. Let's see if they got any basketball sneakers worth looking at. So do got the Flight. What are these? The Flight 95s going for $110. LeBrons, we've seen these on sale for a while now. They actually got the LeBron 20s here. I'm just surprised because, like, I don't know, some of the shoe palettes just haven't had too many of the basketball sneakers. This is a pretty dope colorway right here. And the Air More Up Tempos, I'm patiently waiting for the prices to fall on these because, yeah, so they got some dope colorways. Air Max 95s down to $130, and then we've seen these for a couple weeks now, I think. Air Max 90s down to $70. That's kind of crazy. And then they do have this spray ground backpack. This is normally at $90-something. Look at the price on this one. $45, 50% off. Like, a lot of the spray ground backpacks are pretty nice. The quality's nice. Strap's pretty nice. But yeah, not bad, not bad. $45, almost 50%, or it is 50% off. Those are the newer ones, so they're not on sale. And then they got this one right here. This one kind of looks extra bougie. I don't know why. Maybe all the brass straps and stuff like that. But yeah, $45 for that. That's definitely, I think that's the first time I've ever seen spray guard backpack on sale. Then y'all know I do gotta check these bad boys right here, because it's on sale. But yeah, do got Creed shirts going for $10. Now look, Mitchell & Ness, I already looked at it. Mitchell & Ness does have the Chicago all over the balls, but $35. These are normally $70, so 50% off Mitchell & Ness Satisfier. And $30 for these. Got some Jordan shorts. Not bad, not bad. They got the blue ones. They're the same price. Yeah, they're down to $30 as well. These are normally $52, so not bad. Seeing stuff on sale, not bad. So I'm walking out Chicago Dunks, just chilling right there. That is insane. That's freaking insane, dude. Dang, I guess Tesla's redoing their showroom. That's definitely interesting. Okay. Then I do see a Footlocker. They've had some decent markdowns lately. Let's go see if they got anything. Of course, the first thing I did look for is the 70% off rack. I haven't seen one here at this store. I've been seeing them a lot at a lot of the other Footlockers and Champs. Haven't seen them here. Do have a sales table though. Let's look around here. I actually have a couple of sales tables. All right, these are all going for $89.99. Gel Light 3s right there. NMD R1s. These are women's, I believe. Got some Hirachis right here. Going for $90. We've seen that for way cheaper, right? Then this is the $80 table. Gel Light 3 all black. Also got them in all white as well. And then got these bad boys. These are the Skate High. What is this? The Stranger Things? Skate High Stranger Things. Comes with a special box and everything. Yeah, they're down to $80. Got some top 10s. Got some all white. What are these called? Forum Lows. Been seeing these for way cheaper at a lot of other spots. And the Hirachis too. Okay. We got a few more of these. The Gel Light 3s. I like this one. Got tons of suede on it. This one got some short hair suede on them. Okay. Dude got some Ghosts on sale. This is, I don't think this is their max cushion. It's almost their max cushion. I think the Adrenaline's right here. I think these are the Brooks max cushion shoes right here. Go for $120. Oh wait, I missed these Gel Light 3s. These are even cheaper. Okay. Not feeling that color, but these is cheaper. Then Dude got Dunk Highs and more Dunk Highs. I don't think I've seen this one. See, yeah, that other one, that Dunk Low Chicago Split. Dude, the leather's so much nicer than this one. This is $125. Okay, I'd rather get the Chicago ones than that. And then Jordan 1 Mids. This low, I've never seen this low. Nubuck, Eastside. Is that Eastside Golf? Is this a golf version? No, I don't think so. I don't know, I can't really read that. Apparently I can't read cursive. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this. The Unions? Is this a return or something? They got the Union Jordan 1 Low. All canvas. Not a huge fan of that one. Do got Jordan 11 Low IEs. Air Max 97s. We've been seeing a ton of those on sale lately. See, look. These are going for $70 over there at Shoe Palace. Then do got the Kyrie's right here. Kyrie Lows. Do got a bunch of dope Pro Standard gear right here. These are pretty fire. I don't know why you want all these letters on your nuts, but yeah, these are all pretty fire. They're not cheap though. Definitely not cheap because they are premium. $70 for these shorts. These are $100 with that jersey material inside. This is fire. That one's fire. And Los Angeles Lakers shirts, $38. Oh, that's actually more reasonable because the prior ones were $50. Yeah, these are $55 right here. Okay. And that one's fire. That was $50. And then one with the Lakers right here. A bunch of Lakers logos. And yeah, these bad boys are going for $80. Material on this is way nice. Oh wait, what's this? Ooh, this is the dopest one I've seen today. The dopest one. This is an XL, $100 for that. Those are fire, but I'm not paying 100. Do got Adidas right here. See a lot of red tags. Seeing if anything really sticks out. We have been seeing the Trae Young 2s on sale down to $80 right here. We were finding these at Ross for a really good price. Got those right there. And then these are the only ones. Like, why is this the only one that's actually tethered? Or is that, oh, are they showing? Oh, they're showing. It's not really tethered. It's kind of, they're kind of showing off stuff about that. Okay, the Kobe ones. I think this is the latest colorway, aka crazy ones. Last store here, Finish Line. They have huge sales signs. Let's see if that leads to anything good. Before I even make it in, like, did these not sell out here? Did these not sell out? These are fire, dude. These are fire. Just don't really have money like that to get everything. I got so many bills right now. Do you got the pandas, but what is that? What is that sign? I know these. Oh, my bad. They got the Stussy Air Force Ones. Stussy Air Force Ones. Stussy Air Force One mids. That's kind of crazy. They do have some legit sales. Look at that. Not bad, not bad. That's like, that rivals the sale prices at the Nike outlets, and you get full box. KD Trey 10s if you need those. Budget line of the Steph Currys. A little bit of a sale. Kyrie's down to $70. Kyrie 5 lows. And they got his last one, the Kyrie 9C. I swear these were the Kyrie 9s. People were calling them like the Kyrie 8s. Like the Infinity was the 8s, man. I swear everybody messed up on that. The Infinity is the 8 sign sideways. That's why they call that the Kyrie Infinities. Yeah, the Kyrie 9s. They do have an interesting selection of Jordans because they got the 6s right here, the 7s, yeah. But they got the red Flint 13s? What the hell? Did they get a couple restocks? What the hell? Like, I haven't seen this in forever. And then these, I haven't seen these in forever as well. The hell is going on here? Is this just one size? Did they get a return? What the hell is this? This is size 13 right here. And got these bad boys. What the hell is this? Is that a brown or is that a black? I can't even tell, bro. I can't even tell. No, that's like a, holy cow. I want to know the color code for this. This is very interesting. The bottom is a brown, so I think that's like a brown color. I've never seen that. I think this is just a terrible colorway. I don't think the purple match. I don't know. Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know. And then got the 312 lows. These starting to make a comeback. The Legacy 312 lows designed by Don C. But yeah, we have been seeing these. Okay. And then checking the grade school. Do got grade school Jordans on sale. Mars Yard 3s on sale. It's only $10. Oh man, they got me. Got some more dunks right here. That's pretty dope to see grade school dunks. Got multiple colorways. Okay. One of the classic color block. Like, I love this color blocking right there, man. I don't know about that color, but the color blocking is fire. And I'm not seeing the Jordan 11s or the Stussies. So I guess that's just a one of one. They do have stuff on sale. Like, just not crazy though. Like this hoodie right here. It's a women's extra large, 65 down to 50. You know, they got this one right here. This is a triple XL. And it doesn't even have a sale. It's like their sales are okay. Just nothing crazy, to be really honest. They are technically sales though. They're technically sales. Oh, this Jordan jacket, this isn't that bad. 40 down from 100. That's not bad, I guess. This is $75 down from 135. This is a Therma Fit for women. Okay, so some of their sales are pretty decent. You just have to look at every one. Adidas hoodie, 20 from 100. This is like a quadruple XL. That one's freaking huge. Yeah, these are some big sizes, yo. See, I was noticing stuff like this. 30 from 42, like not huge stuff. All right, back in the men's section. Do see dunks. That's a hell of a discount. Also, this one $15 off. So we've seen dunks on sale. Then they got more dunks not on sale. This is the one we did see at Footlocker. All right, that's pretty much about it. Pretty decent finds today. To be honest, I didn't really expect to find anything, but to find those Chicago split dunks, as well as the John Morants at Shoe Palace, as well as this Finish Line, pretty fire. Hope you guys are following my shorts. I did post those on my shorts, or I will in a couple minutes. So I hope you guys are following those. Some of these videos do take a little bit of time to get back to you guys, so I hope you guys are following those shorts. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for supporting the channel. Definitely appreciate each and every one of y'all. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Press that subscribe button. I always got plenty of videos coming. I almost went down that elevator right there. Or escalator, my bad. Damn. But yeah, I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. All right, heading out. Can you believe it's still there? Holy cow, sneaker market definitely has changed. All right, we're out. Look what they got here. Shoe Palace, Sherman Oaks. Check your local Shoe Palaces for these. These ain't bad. These ain't bad at all. Feels way better than just the regular Dunk lows. I don't know if this is a premium or not. But yeah, these ain't bad, dude. Should I get them? Should I not? That's the question. Got these at Shoe Palace now. First time I've ever seen the Ja ones, the Ja Morans. These are definitely interesting. I don't know. Is this an automatic cop? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Some interesting finds here at the finish line. Look at this. Haven't seen these. I haven't seen these in a while. Some women's Jordan 11s. Don't know the size though. Then they got these Air Force One Stussy mids. Yeah, this is a bigger size. Size 12.5. This is definitely a surprise to see here. Just noticed, about to hit 50,000 miles on my Charger. Don't really drive this Charger much. Dang, without the Nike outlet visits in this Charger, this thing would probably be like at freaking 20,000 miles, dude, because we really don't drive this that much. Dang, dude. Avalanche, I think, got like 150,000 miles on it or something. Dang. 50K, woo! Forget the 15,000 on YouTube. 50K, let's go. Dang, car's getting old. Yeah. Yeah.